Are you a lazy baker like me? Do you crave for chocolate cake but can't be bothered to bake a complicated one? Well, today I'm going to make an easy, healthy melting chocolate cake in a tub. And yes, you heard that right, in a tub. Let me tell you a story how I discovered this amazing cake. Many years ago, I took a trip to Manila. I was strolling around SM Mall of Asia looking for something sweet and fancy. That's when I saw it, the chocolate whole cake roll from Goldilocks Bakery. But unfortunately, I can't just hop on a plane and fly back to Manila whenever I want a slice. I thought to myself, I want that cake. But a roll cake seems like too much work to make at home. And that's when the inspiration struck. Why not make my own version but in a tub? Genius, right? Let's start by mixing the wet ingredients. And guess what? We're making this cake healthy by using coconut milk, vegetable oil, and brown sugar instead of the usual butter and white sugar. Oh, and did I mention we're throwing in a ripe banana too? That's right, we're getting fancy in here. This cake has a dense texture and a distinct taste because of the banana. Banana gives that extra moistness to the cake, which I prefer. Cake is so healthy you can practically eat it for breakfast and call it a balanced meal. And with the added banana, I can even convince myself that I'm getting some fruit serving for the day. And now for the dry ingredients. Just a simple mix of flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk it all together. Now we pour the blended wet ingredients into the dry mix and mix it all up until it's nice and smooth. Pour it into a square cake pan, cover it with aluminum foil and place it in a steamer. Trust me, this steaming method is what makes the cake super moist and delicious. And while our cake is steaming away, let's make the chocolate custard topping. It is as simple as mixing cream, corn flour, and chocolate together in a pan. Stir it over low heat until it thickens up into luscious, creamy consistency. Now it's time to assemble this beauty. Just look at how moist and fluffy this cake is. Finally, these plastic tubs come handy more than just a container for food storage. We can turn them into fancy dessert tubs. Oh yeah! Here comes the best part. Pouring that warm and gooey chocolate custard on top of the cake. It's like the cake is getting a warm chocolatey hug. This cake is so delicious you'll want to eat it all in one sitting. But don't worry, I won't judge you if you do. And there you have it, folks. My easy, healthy, and also decadent melting chocolate cake in a tub. Thanks for watching and be sure to tune in for my next video where I share with you how to cheat your way to the best tiramisu ever.